Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to move your gaming object left, right, up, down on your console in C program. I have already opened code blocks and a code to show you. This is our code. Just want to run it. Here you can see move MOVE. You can see this is moving towards right on your screen console, and again moving left, up and down. So that's the objective of our this video. I just want to copy this. Here I have already write something stdio.h, some header files, windows.h, standard library.h, console input output.h. So just want to write function for use coordinates on console. Here is our function to set coordinates on console. Here the COORD is coordinate structure, and this is the type data type. This is the variable for code structure, and crd.x equal this x to set x, and crd.y equal y, this y that will be passed through our setXY function. So set console cursor position, get std handle, std output handle, and then this variable. First I want to set some variables. So int x equal 10 and y equal 10. Coordinate for x is 10 and y is 10, and then the move will be printed on console. Here you can see move has been printed. From left side, here it is 10 for x axis, again it is also 10 for y axis. So that's why move is printed here in this position. But I just want to move this on the console. So now I just want to write a loop. That means the loop will be continue forever. While 1, that means while then true, the loop will run continuously. I just want to check if any key of the keyboard is pressed or not. So for this we will use kbhit keyboard hit function. and I just want to initiate another variable that will be in character data type char ch. So ch equal get ch, that will store the that will store the character which is hit. So if I press any key, then it will store in ch character, ch variable that will store the character in ch variable. So now I will check. I just want to set A for moving left, B for D for moving right, W for moving up, and S for moving down. If I want to move right, then I have to decrease the value of x. Suppose move is here, you want to put this here, so then you have to decrease the value of x coordinate. So now if ch equal character a, then x minus minus, that means that will decrease the value for x. Left again, if I want to move right, then I have to press D, that will increase the value of x. Let's assume here is move. If I press D, then it will go here. So it is needed to increase the value of x. Again, if I want to move up, for that will for W for moving up. Then it is to be needed to decrease the value of the coordinate x, y. Let's assume if I want to set the position of move here, let's assume here, I have to decrease the coordinate for y, and the value for x will remain the same because it only move towards up. As for moving down, so to moving down, I have to increase the value for y. Assume that I just want to move here to here, so I have to increase the value for y, not for x. X will remain the same. So now I again want to set value for x and y for new position. Again, now printf move. You can see, so multiple move is printing. So for this, because we didn't clear the screen console, so I have to also clear console. So here I just want to clear the console using system.cls clear screen function. Now you can see no contradictory has been watched, everything is okay. But I also want to break this loop, so for this reason I want to just add here break statement for break for exit. So break the loop. If I press E, then the program will be terminated. You can see, and press E, the loop has been executed and nothing is written after the loop, so the program has been executed. Again, another problem you can see, if I go after this boundary, it will run. So I just want to make sure that it should not be happened. So I have to apply a condition. If x greater less than 0, then it will not work. 2, the decrement will not be happened. So just again, x greater than 1, then the decrement will be occurred. You can see, that's all. First I have write some header files to use some functions, and then I have set xy function to set the position code or coordinate on console. That is, and then our code is main function. First I have set the xy and then print move and then run a loop while 1, and if any keyboard is hit or pressed, then keyboard hit function is used. The hit character has been stored in ch variable, that is the data type is for ch is character, and then some conditions, and then again first clear the screen, then set the coordinate for xy, and then again print the move. So that's all. Thank you everyone.